Welcome back, everyone. It's Saturday, December 7th. Hope you guys are all having a great weekend. Well, as I promised, I am now gonna take you on a little Christmas home decor tour. Don't get too excited. You guys know what's been going on in this house the last month and a half. And I'm actually pleased with what my husband and I got done, considering everything's pretty much in the family room and the kitchen. I really didn't do anything in the dining room this year, but I am really liking everything that I have put out, and I'm really most excited to show you my tree. I just love the new color scheme, and I think my tree just looks so beautiful this year. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you, and hope you guys enjoy.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. 8 pair of antennas, onwards ever go. on this cold December day. On this cold December day.
Decorated for Christmas this year. And now, as promised, a couple of you have asked if I could share my hot peppers and oil recipe. It's real simple. This is our family recipe, so I'm going to share that with you now. I'm actually making these because we are going to head over to Kim's house to watch the Buckeye game tonight. So I thought I'd whip these up to bring over as a little appetizer. I have about 4 or 5 Hungarian hot peppers that I sliced thin, cleaned, took the seeds out. Now, if some seeds get in the mixture, that's fine too. There's no measuring here, we just wing it. So I like to go heavy on the garlic powder and the oregano, and then I use this Eric's hot pepper seasoning. I put salt in, and I have a little bit of fresh minced garlic. Now I'm going to use corn oil because in case they get refrigerated, the oil will not coagulate or turn to jelly. If you use vegetable oil and you put them in the refrigerator, that will happen. And that's it. Then just enjoy them with some fresh Italian bread. So I'm going to add everything, put the oil in, and mix them up. My husband said, eat them at your own risk. These are really, really hot, but that's how we like them. I'm here over at Mike and Kim's, and Kim made a delicious chicken gnocchi soup. It's so good. We have lots of other goodies over here. Sausage and peppers and potatoes. And here's my peppers.
My mom was there today.
Salad. We've already eaten, so this is what's left. I will definitely link the recipe in the description section, but CAVATELLI making has already begun here at my sister's, and I think we are, 6 pounds we've done, and we've got 6 more pounds to go. So what we do is we have them on the trays here on parchment paper, and then we do a little flash freeze before we put them into freezer bags, and then they're ready for Christmas dinner. My niece has already got her batch in the freezer bags. Now my sister had the dough pre-mixed, so that's why I'll link the recipe. And we've got our CAVATELLI machine here, so I'll show you how we run through once we start on the next batch. We have to teach the nieces and nephews, my sister's kids, so they can pass this tradition down. So Nicole's getting the dough ready. And we found that the shorter the pieces are, they work a little bit easier in the machine. And the reason why we do the flash freezing is we don't want the CAVATELLI, when we put it in freezer bags, all clumped together. So they kind of stay like separated. Now normally we just leave them out here to dry like this before we freeze them. But because we're doing 12 pounds, which is a lot of CAVATELLI, we decided to just do the flash freezing just to kind of make it go a little bit faster. All right, she's cutting them into strips, and we like to, the thickness of the strip should be like the size of a pencil top eraser. That's the thickness you want, and then off to the machine. She can crank it really fast. The faster the better. Yep. Those look good. And then the pieces like this that come out flat at the end, we just kind of get our finger and kind of roll it, just like that. All right, so we've started our croutons. We're making a double batch, so we've got 16 eggs. We kind of did 2 at a time to get them nice and fluffy. We don't measure. We have a bunch of minced parsley, fresh with garlic. We just throw it in, it's to taste. We're gonna add in our Italian cheese, our unsalted saltine crackers, and that's it. We're gonna mix it all up. All right, Kathy's got the crackers. And what do we have? The other sleeve? Oh yeah. And this is 2 sleeves, right? 2 sleeves of the unsalted saltines.
4 total.
Yeah, 4. Oh yeah, 4 total. Comes the good stuff, the cheese. The last ingredient we use is baking powder, 2 teaspoons, and that will allow the croutons to fluff up when they're being baked in the oven. Okay, so we have 1 loaf on our cookie sheet here ready to go with a lot of oil to prevent sticking. We're gonna bake at 350 about 15 to 18 minutes or until golden brown. Okay, this is really sticky, so you wanna make sure your hands are oiled like my sister has here, and then she's just gonna go ahead and form the loaf. Our croutons are out of the oven, looking good. My sister's cutting them up into little cubes, and we're gonna put them into a freezer bag, and they'll be all ready to add to our wedding soup on Christmas. And this is the coloring that you want it to be. It's just a nice golden brown color. Well guys, I had to stop over here at Karen's, and I'm excited because there's something here that I want to share with you. So Karen and I, when we did an event a while back, a ladies' night out, we met this lovely woman, Micheline, and she creates these adorable baby moccasins. And her display at the event, I mean, one was cuter than the other. I was literally in awe. I'm thinking, oh my goodness, I can't wait to get these for all the nieces and nephews. They're just gonna love them. They're so pretty. Well, Karen met with her yesterday, and I'm about to do an unboxing of a pair of her Moccs, and I'm so excited because I know what color they are, and they're so me. So let's open them up. Okay, and then I'm gonna tell you a little story while I do. Now, Micheline and Moccs, a portion of the proceeds are donated to the VA hospital. And I absolutely love her mission statement, which I'm gonna read to you in a second. All right, so the moccasins come wrapped up here with a little card about the Moccs. I can't wait to see them. You guys know I love purple. Oh, are they adorable? Look at these. And they show all the different colors. And look at the bottom of them. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about, and I'm gonna read some notes because the one thing that caught my eye was the mission statement here. And Micheline's mission statement is, instead of, life should not focus around the question, what have you done for me lately? Instead, it should be centered around, what have I done for someone else lately? And that really struck a chord with me. I just think that is awesome. It really is. Okay, so a little bit more about the moccasins, and I want to get all the details here. All the products from Moccs are handmade in the US. They're premium leather. They want to assure that their products are free of harsh chemicals. And when we're dealing with the little ones, that's really, really important. They also offer an option to add sheepskin insoles, which provide several benefits and great comfort for all climates. Sheepskin can add warmth in the winter and cool in the summer, and the wool fiber allows air to circulate, which keeps moisture away from feet, and the feet stay dry. So I just thought, being purple was my favorite color, I am gonna gift these to my niece, who is currently pregnant with my great niece, and I think she's due in April, and this is just gonna be such a special gift from Auntie Lauren, and she's gonna absolutely love them. They're gorgeous. I'm so excited. So I will put everything in the description section. This is a wonderful gift for all you grandparents and aunts and moms out there to gift your little ones the adorable moccasins, and they're just so stylish. I'm gonna have to get her an outfit to go with it. It's Sunday, December 8th, and I just want to thank all of you guys for coming along with me this week. I hope you enjoyed everything I was able to share. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Enjoy the holiday season and all the festivities it brings. A couple people that I don't want to forget to thank is Barbara. Thank you for the lovely Christmas gift. Julie from Colorado. Absolutely love the planners that you created for Karen and I. I have it displayed in my kitchen. Very thoughtful. Thank you for taking the time. It's absolutely gorgeous. And Tia, I received your Christmas card from the Netherlands. Thank you so much. All right, you guys. We're going to be adding some more things to the online boutique, so thank you for all your love and support. And also the January B-Style box is available, and there's lots of goodies in that too. So thank you all so much. I'm going to put some other recipes in the description section for you, and anything that I do next week that maybe I could pre-record, I will for you, so you can catch that on my next vlog. Thank you all for coming along. Enjoy, and Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.